Happy New Year, guys. It is now about 2:30 my time, Caribbean time, GMT -4 I think it is. I'm just here to wish you guys a happy new year. I want to wish you the very best in this new year, God willing. I know that 2020 was a challenging year for many, but I also know that it presented us with opportunities to learn some very, very important lessons about true connectivity and about community and about true rest, and finding that balance in life. So I want to encourage you to take these lessons with you into 2021, as I will be doing, and I want to wish you the very, very best. I pray that whatever you put your hands to will prosper. I pray that you get new ideas and that you will see success in many areas of your life, not just your finances, but I pray that for you too, yes, and me. But I pray that you will see success in your emotional health, your mental health, in your relationships with family, with friends, in your improvements and your investments towards better communication. I pray that you will see success in that. And just whatever you put your hands to and whatever you seek to do to better yourself, I wish you the best. So that's it for me, guys. I'm a little tired. I am actually going to wrap this up and go to bed, but I didn't want to just jump into new content or content from last year actually, but I wanted to take the time and the break to wish you guys a happy new year. So wishing you all the best and your family as well, and see you in 2021, God willing. I am hoping that we will deepen our relationship and our communication here on YouTube and on all my platforms. But I'm also hoping that you guys would keep me accountable in 2021, God willing, because what is a relationship without accountability? Yes. So see you guys. Wishing you all the best.
My crown's so heavy, better help me carry. My crown's so heavy, better help me carry. My crown's so heavy, crown's so heavy. My crown's so heavy.